Wranglers, I'm Fran. It's January 13th. Please stand for the pledge and 30 seconds of silence.
Good day, explorers! Broadcast Cal here with the Pledge of Allegiance. Everyone stand up and say it with me. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nice job, everyone! Now get out there and explore, discover, and create. Broadcast Cal, out!
Howdy, Wranglers. It's a thrilling Thursday. Remember, no school tomorrow, Monday, and Tuesday. We will see you again Wednesday, January 19th. The talent show tryouts are on hold for now. We will let you know when tryouts are back. Here's the joke of the day. What goes black, white, black, white, black, white? What goes black, white, black, white, black, white? Check the description box for the answer. Thanks for watching, Wranglers. I'm Hamburger. It's Spaghetti. And remember to make it a great day or not. The choice is yours. And stay 6 feet apart, girl.